If you're looking to gain muscle and lose fat, supplements aren't magic pills, but they can definitely amplify your progress when used right. Let me walk you through the ones worth paying attention to and the ones that aren't. First up, protein powder. You've heard this one before, and for good reason. Just 20 to 30 grams post-workout can help repair muscles and stimulate growth. It's convenient, cost-effective, and honestly, sometimes tastier than cooking 3 chicken breasts a day. Creatine is next. It's one of the most researched supplements and actually works. It helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifts or short bursts of activity. 5 grams a day, just a tiny scoop, can boost your strength, endurance, and recovery. A lot of people obsess over pre-workouts. In reality, caffeine is the star of the show in most of them. Skip the overpriced tubs and just have a cup of coffee about 30 minutes before hitting the gym. That's your pre-workout. Now let's talk omega-3s. If your diet lacks fatty fish, a fish oil supplement can help reduce inflammation and improve recovery. 2 to 3 grams of EPA and DHA per day should suffice. It's not flashy, but highly effective. Vitamin D is overlooked by most gym rats, but shouldn't be. If you're deficient, and many people are, it can hinder muscle growth. Get a blood test, and if you're low, a daily 2,000 IU supplement can work wonders for overall health and performance. Branch-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are often hyped, but honestly unnecessary if you're eating enough protein throughout the day. Save your money unless you're training fasted or have long periods of inactivity between meals. Fat burners sound tempting, but let's be real. Most are just caffeine and overpriced stimulants. They might curb hunger a bit or give you more energy, but they're no substitute for a solid diet and consistent workouts. Multivitamins are decent insurance policies for your diet. They won't directly build muscle or burn fat, but covering your micronutrient bases ensures your body can perform optimally. Stick to a high-quality one from a trusted brand. Glutamine frequently shows up on fitness supplement lists, but here's the truth. Unless you're severely overtraining, your body produces enough of it naturally. Spend your money elsewhere. This one's not likely to make or break your physique. Casein protein is like the night owl of the protein world. Take a shake before bed to give your muscles a slow-digesting supply of amino acids overnight. It's optional, but a solid pick if you struggle to eat enough protein daily. Pro tip, simplify your stack. A good protein powder, creatine, omega-3s, and maybe a vitamin D supplement are all most people need. Supplements aren't shortcuts. They're just tools to help you maximize your hard work in the gym and kitchen. And here's the kicker. No supplement can outwork a bad diet or lazy training program. Nail those fundamentals first, then add in these targeted supplements where they make sense. That's how you win. Trust the process, stay consistent, and the results will come.